Champorado, mga love! Woohoo! So yummy!
In your robe. Stow all loose belongings in the pouch.
We are so amazed with the Aguilar ride, mga love. Hey, hi Nick! How are you? Mga love, so we arrived na here sa Balay Dako sa Tagaytay. So let's go! Love is actually yung restaurant na Di Antonio's daw ni, you know, Di Antonio's restaurant, and this is their breakfast, at yung Antonio daw talaga yung chef dito. So ito yung Balay Dako restaurant dito sa Tagaytay. Champorado, mga love! Woohoo! So yummy! Lami tilis, lami ilang kuan.
Nami.
Muni siya ang ginataang halo-halo.
Buko, you see.
Wow!
My goodness, so yummy.
of the champurrado, the champoy. Not so sweet, but very lamig. I love it. Malagkit. The chocolate, the sablia. So, this is the scenery here sa Balaydaco, mga loves. So, napakaganda talaga ng scenery dito. As in, super. Yung hangin talaga is napaka-breezy. And malamig yung hangin. And aside sa masarap yung pagkain, maganda rin yung ambience. So, ito yun. Diba? Ganda. Okay, hi Nick! How are you? Mga loves, our next destination is Museo Orlina and
Glass Museum.
ano?
Glass Museum.
Glass Museum. So, mga loves, we are done here sa Museo Orlina and we're gonna go to our next destination. So this museum is actually made of, yung mga ano nila is made of glass, made of gems, at saka iba-iba pang mga exhibits ng ibang artists. So, yeah, this is actually a great place here in Tagaytay, mga loves. So, let's go to our next destination. Come on. Okay, mga loves, nandito na tayo ngayon sa Puzzle Mansion Museum. We have Shawnee!
Hi! Hi mga loves!
So, basically, mga loves, mga puzzles lang mga nandito. Akala nyo paintings, pero mga puzzles pala. Kung titingnan nyo siya ng maigi. O, diba? So, ilang pieces, ilang thousands of pieces yung mga puzzle na yan para mabuo. At, kaya pala, ano siya sa Guinness Book of Records. Kasi, ano siya sa mga puzzles. So, may iba-ibang puzzle, may mga vintage, may mga cartoons, mga ganon. And at the same time, meron din sila mga building blocks. Something gaya nito. Yang pinipicture ni Boy Pilas. Hi, Boy P. Na natin. Tan tan tananan tan tananan 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 tan tan Game of Thrones. Tananan tan tananan. Ayun. Sir, anong masasabi niyo sa mga puzzles dito sa museum, sir?
Maganda. Maganda siya.
So mga loves, nandito tayo ngayon sa Enchanted Kingdom para i-try natin tong Agila ride nila. So hindi kami mag-ride sa Enchanted Kingdom kasi mainit and at saka at the same time umuulan for some reason, parang napipiesta ang langit. So dito kami sa Agila ride at try namin parang siyang virtual reality na parang sasakay ka daw sa Agila and then lilipad ka, ita-travel ka niya sa buong Pilipinas na parang nakalipad ka. So tingnan natin if maganda ba. Come on, let's go! this is our Aguila ticket. Where's your Aguila ticket, King? Where is it? Oh, yeah. Entering the dungeon. Joke lang. Ticket, okay lang yung ticket. Okay, and then ito.
Angat. Okay.
Oh. Agdin.
Eagle inside the door.
Yeah. We're gonna get a tour first. Parang explanation ito sa Aguila something. Iko? Yeah. Sabuka! Wow, it's an element!
Yeah, flying eagle yan.
No! Alright, so here's the hallway inside. So we're gonna take a picture over there. Ah! Dito man ang dili pwede. Dili pwede. Wow, Kungking! What's that? Gonna go inside the auditorium for the Aguila. Ah! Oh, there you go. The eagle's here. Ito yung picture taking and tapos na rin yung ano, so punta na tayo sa main event para sa Aguila Ride. Ah, this is the insides. Nice. Ah, this is nice. Look, honey. Look, honey. So colorful. I'm gonna go to the next destination kasi hindi pwede kanina yung ano, yung video. So we've got the triangle thingies. We're gonna go to the triangle.
Seat in your row. Stow all loose belongings in the pouch under your seat.
We are so amazed with the Aguila Ride, mga loves. Tapos na kami. And grabe, super nice! Yan! Nandito na tayo sa kanilang souvenir area, mga loves. At nandito yung ating mga pictures kanina. But before that, let's take a look at the souvenir shop. Ayan. This is nice. Ayan. So this is it. The pictures. Ano pong background ba? Eldar. Hi, Papay. Cooking. Look, it's Eldar. Look, over here.
Ayusin. Siya friend. Oh, magic. Where's the magic one?
There's no magic wand.
Oh no, he
It's
lost
not
it
real.
again.
Okay, so finish na kami dito sa Enchanted Kingdom and probably we're gonna go home na, mga loves. And we have a lot of fun experience today. So thank you so much for joining us. So let's see, mga loves, meron pa tayo pupuntahan iba. Depende yan sa mga sponsors natin today. So thank you so much for our sponsors, the Morata family and DTI. Thank you. Sana sa ulitin ulit. Thank you, guys. So we are here na sa condo ni Auntie Lisa. Relax muna din. Uwi na kami mamaya.
It's in your bag, Gom. It's in your bag.
Let's take a look at the condo.
It's in your bag. Check out.
Oh, this is nice. Oh, you wipe your face muna, te. Yan. Are you crying? Surprise! We are here at SM at MOA. And kakain daw kami ng dinner. So, let's see, mga loves. And, wala lang, dumaan lang kami sa department store. See you later. Hello! Who's the winner? No! Super tired na today. After this one, uwi na kami. And I think tulog ako ng mahabang tulog dahil wala pa akong tulog ever since kahapon, mga loves. Anyway, yun lang. Wow! What is this place? Nagutom Mama Marian. What color do you have?
Pink.
Green. Wow, it's so sparkly.
Yeah.
Alright. Close it.